welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are continuing our series, the ultimatemedium.com course, part 29 of 30. Why external views are equally important as internal views on your medium.com stories. My friends, a lot of people will tell you, and this is a fact also, that only internal views, which are medium members views, count towards you getting revenue on your medium stories. And this is a known fact, my friends. However, people forget that external views are equally important as internal views. One of the notion is that external views gets you followers from external websites, and you get email subscription from external website. You get membership referrals from external websites. This is very important. However, there is one more important factor, my friends. Initially, this my viral medium story got 1.1 thousand views from Reddit, my friends. 1.1 thousand views from Reddit, and this was, I think, the reason why it got the momentum, the push it needed to get into the medium algorithm, into the Google algorithm, and it was pushed by medium by being curated, my friends. And now it has made over $204, my friends. Look at this. But the initial push was given to it by Reddit, my friends. So this is very, very important to understand, my friends. This logic, you have to put it in your mind, that you can't just come on Medium, publish your story and just let it go. You have to share it with your external audience on other social media platforms like Reddit, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and all other social media platforms, to be honest with you. If you want to get results like these external traffic views, even if your medium story is not curated, will propel your medium story to get internal views. Because the new CEO of Medium, my friends, he loves it when a medium story is getting traffic. It's as simple as that. The basic notion of getting traffic. The new CEO of Medium just loves it when the medium stories are getting traffic, my friends. And if you look at this, the member read time is not being calculated. 27th of January 2023, 1.1k views came from external traffic sources like Reddit, like Google, like news.google.com, my friends, like Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo search. All of these websites are promoting it, and I'm getting these views, external views. And obviously, when I sleep today, I wake up tomorrow, I'll see a massive insurgence of internal views. It's now 8%. It will grow exponentially, because this is what always happens, my friends. So I have given you a detailed explanation as to why external views are equally important as internal views on medium.com stories, my friends. Thanks for watching, my friends. Stay tuned for the last part of the ultimatemedium.com course. Part 30 is coming right up. Take care, my friends.